Okay, so GBP USD. Want to run through this. This kind of it can go either way. I really can. So now that I look at the MACD does not look like we're actually going to go lower. Um, Blow this up so y'all can see it a little bit better. That looks like it wants to turn the other direction. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of this. I've got too many positions on as it is, like I mentioned. I don't like to have more than like 3 positions on at any given time. And the reason for that is I can't stay on top of them. Um, I think a lot of people overdo it with like the whole um, the idea of let me see here 0.93. The idea of more is better. Hardly ever more is better, man. Especially in trading. It's not. That's not the game. The goal is quality. That's how I feel, at least. Whatever. Um, yeah, we're snipers. We're not. I'm not machine gunning. I'm making very calculated decisions. And so if I'm wrong and it goes like way low or something, oh well, I still made money here. The goal is to make money consistently, not to break the bank every time you win. And also limit your losses. Look how wrong I am here. This is GBP AUD. This is a rough one because I ended up losing. Let me see here on the 4th. So let's go to the calendar real quick. Yeah, Monday was the 4th. So I lost 1, 2, 3%. This is 3 trades. I'm going to close this one out. I'll just pretend like that one I already got hit on the stop loss. So let's do 3% here. Really bad. I don't write my losses in. I just keep it right here. So 3% because it did the opposite of what I thought it was going to do. And I didn't watch it the whole way. So tagged out. It's rough. It's rough. How did I mess up is the question. Where did I misunderstand what was happening, or was it a good trade and just, things didn't work out, right? It looks like I was on the right side of this and we were about to take this down based on this formation. So if I zoom out, you can kind of see it too. We're overextended, obviously. And it looked like things were about to head back down. If I get rid of all the gibberish, you can see it a little bit better. So yeah, doesn't look like a bad trade from this view. Weekly, slowly trending up. Definitely didn't acknowledge that. Yeah, I'll probably start here, just so I can get that angle. I wish there was a way. I got to figure out a way to that's not it. That's not it. That's not it either. So I got to figure out a way to keep certain things visible and others not. Don't mind having that. How do I deal with the indicators? Anyways, that's not why y'all are here. There's a way to do it with the indicators. I'll figure that out eventually here. But yeah, if you know, hit the comment section. Let me know. It looks overextended here. There's a trend though that I wasn't really paying attention to be real. That doesn't look like it's going to continue higher necessarily on the monthly chart either. So yeah, there was a L taken here, and I can accept this L because based on the key level, based on my my I guess hypothesis, I thought we were going to touch this level and react to it and die from here. Right in here actually is the best on the 6th. So today, thought we hit that and dropped down, but instead there was like this huge surge that happened, which is nuts. It's not nuts. It's just a move, whatever. So we lost here. Long story short, not a big deal. Whatever. I like to try to really dig into that and understand why, because then it helps you moving forward. Really pinpoint your moves and your strategies. Because we won on GBP, JPY, but AUD went nuts. GBP, we're good. We saw this rollover. This is on the 1st, so that's old. This is on the 4th. So I saw it on the 4th continue down. Let's get these pivot points back a little bit further so you can see the whole thing. Let's do something like that. Yeah. So this will play off of pivot line. I remember putting this on and thinking to myself, okay, this might work, it might not. This play's still on though. Yeah, I never closed it. So we're on here. We're still in. And then I actually saw this one. And now we have this coming on. Based on this sideways movement, I don't want to take this trade though. I'm just going to let it play out. But I like to see a move and then a pullback, a move and then a pullback. Maybe I could have traded right here, but it's not the most perfect situation there. A move and then a pullback, not a sideways and then a pullback. I don't really like that. I want it to feel like it's going to keep stair-stepping down. You notice how much it got lower. So these are lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher or lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So stair-stepping downwards. That's what the pyramid reversal strategy is all about. I want to make up this movement higher on the downside. Now it's been a little bit longer this way than it has been steep. I hope that makes sense, man. Hit me and let me know if it doesn't. I'm about to run out of batteries, so let me speed this up a little bit. These are still on. I'm gonna watch this and kind of see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and set an alarm right here, and it's gonna say get out. Word to Jordan Pill. So we're gonna play that like that, man. Let's see if I can run through the rest of these. Notice how I got stopped out on this as well. So all GBP pairs. A lot of times they correlate. So if I have one that's gonna have a loss, I'll have others. This is 2%. So I lost on this position, which was a live entry, and I lost on this position, which was a live entry. Just really got into a situation where it's super sideways and I was hoping to push it down. You see this side of the pyramid and then we're looking for that side. And it didn't happen. Whatever, it happens. I'll take that. I'll take my L. GBP CAD, I didn't do anything here because this is breaking out of that range, and then there was this move which doesn't look like anything that we trade. Okay. Alright, I'm going to run through the Euro pairs on the next video. But yeah, GBP, huge lesson here. Overtraded, got put out of position. Wasn't entirely my strategy's fault or anything like that. It's just an L that I got to take, and now I'm looking to actually understand if there really is any clues for me to learn to get better as a trader and understand how the market moves here. But I leave it on my chart so that I can learn and keep revisiting and keep coming up with ideas. So over the next couple weeks, I'll at least have a shot at understanding. Anyways, all right, y'all. Catch you in a second.